trace. They have done a phenomenal job last year in both the waves. I'm sure that they will track 10 people. Tracking them is not going to be an issue. We will definitely track them. But I would like to appeal to all those people to behave responsibly, because you don't have the freedom. You don't have. You should be ethical in your behavior. You can't switch off because you are positive and spread to your near and dear ones and the people whom you do not know. So this will be unethical on anybody's part. So I request and I appeal all of them to behave more responsibly, more maturely. It's not going to be an untreatable infection. We have experience of treating all this successfully in the last 2 years. We have enough experience, we have enough options, we have definite treatment today. The protocols of treatment is very well established. So please be brave enough, please be open and share the information. The government will do its best to treat you, to ensure you that you are completely free from this infection and you can be discharged at the earliest, and we will be sending you home.
So total, how many beds are available for Omicron in Karnataka? In Karnataka, totally how many beds?
It's too early. I can tell you in total, because we have not earmarked anything for Omicron at this juncture. But in the next 2-3 days, we will try to understand what could be the numbers like, and we will definitely ramp it up based on the requirements.
So basically, how many days treatment, sir? If you want to